What if D-Day had failed catastrophically on June 6, 1944? Picture a world where the greatest invasion of the 20th century faltered on the shores of Normandy. In our timeline, D-Day on June 6, 1944, was a decisive turning point. The Allies successfully landed in France, broke Hitler's defenses, and turned the tide of the war in Europe. But in this alternative timeline, the landings were a catastrophic failure. Bad weather, poor intelligence, and strong German defenses meant that the Allies were forced back into the sea with heavy losses. The immediate consequences were dramatic. Without a foothold in France, the Western Front remained closed, allowing Hitler's army to consolidate its defenses and prolong the war in Europe. In the medium term, this failure meant Soviet troops crossed all the way into Germany from the east, extending Soviet influence further into European territory. The Cold War, in this timeline, starts much earlier, and with a divided Germany under Soviet domination. In the long term, the world we know today would be profoundly different. A red curtain would cut much further west, placing France, the Low Countries, and much of Germany under Soviet control. NATO might be weak or non-existent, and the USA's role as a dominant power would diminish. Three key figures profoundly affected by this change would be Dwight D. Eisenhower, Winston Churchill, and Adolf Hitler. Their legacies all reshaped by a single failed invasion.